Meaning of French loaf.
French loaf.
French loaf.
French loaf.
French loaf. A French loaf is a type of bread that is long and narrow with a golden brown crust and soft, chewy interior. It is also known as a baguette and originated in France. The dough for a French loaf typically consists of flour, water, yeast, and salt, and the bread is often baked in a hot oven to give it its characteristic crust. French loaves are versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes, from making sandwiches to accompanying soups or stews. They are a staple in French cuisine and are enjoyed all over the world.